question, no matter what it is, I somehow, almost always will. Let's go to Kalia in Burlington, North Carolina. Kalia.
Hi, Brad.
How are you?
Keep up the good work. I'm doing fine.
What's going on?
So I work in Burlington on a J-1 visa, but I scheduled an interview to renew the J-1 visa. I went to the embassy and they told me that they had sent me an email saying that the interview was canceled.
What do you mean you went to the embassy? You're here in the United States.
No, I went to Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica now.
Oh, you're in Jamaica?
I'm in Jamaica.
Okay, because I have
Jamaica now.
So you're not in Burlington, North Carolina anymore?
Not right now, because I went down to...
Take that down, because I'm confused. I thought you were calling me from North Carolina. And let's put up Kalia from what parish?
St. Anne's, Jamaica.
Kalia from St. Anne's, Jamaica. Or Andrews? Yeah. St. Anne's or St. Andrews, you said?
St. Anne's.
St. Anne's, Jamaica.
Yes.
So then what happened?
I went to the interview yesterday and they told me that they had sent me an email saying the interview was canceled. And they said that I could reapply. And when I applied, the next available date would be in October, but I would have to return to work. So can I travel on my regular visitor's visa?
You can, but you can't travel on your visitor's visa to come to work.
Okay. Also,
so that's going to be a problem. So if they
why would they cancel the interview?
Could be 100 reasons why.
Because I know I got married in Burlington recently, so I'm not sure if that could be a factor.
You're married to a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
It could be a factor. Maybe. It could be that they just don't have the people to interview you. It could be, I mean, you could play 100 movies in your head and come up with 100 different reasons why they canceled it. The only thing that I would suggest you can do is hire somebody who can, like myself, who can speak to somebody at the embassy in Jamaica, find out, A, what's going on, and B, if we can get a quicker appointment for you.
Okay.
All right.
And if I can't get a quicker appointment, you said I could travel on my visitor's visa, but just not for work.
Not for work, for visiting.
Okay.
All right. Hold on one second. Let's go to Ajo, AJO in Anchorage, Alaska. Ajo.
Hey, hey, Brad.
How are you?
I can hardly hear you.
Why is everyone hardly hear me? That's so strange.
Yeah, you kind of sound a little silent, like low.
We gotta look into this technology thing. Why some people are not hearing me well. All right.
Okay.
I'm going to try to talk as loud as I can. What's going on?
Hey, first of all, I must say I've been on your program since 2016.
Wow.
You've helped me in so many ways.
Thank you.
When I first came here, and I explained to you I got my 3 years work visa to come to the United States from Jamaica, and you've walked me through all the steps, and I became a citizen in 2020.
Congratulations. All from watching Bragg Show Live and listening to my show. Thank you. So what's going on today?
Yeah. So, I have a really intriguing question. I have a brother who is a regular visitor.
Right.
I'm interested in having him, getting him to be a part of a resident in the United States, but based on my research, I am not sure if everything is correct. So I'm wondering if he comes to the United States and be here, is it possible for me to apply for him to stay here, or he has to? Even though when I apply for him, do we have to go back home?
Not as a brother filing for a brother. You're going to wait 12 years. He'll end up overstaying his visa. So that's not going to be possible. If he has no other family here in the United States, then either he makes a family by entering in a bona fide marriage with somebody, or we look a different direction. Investor visas, employment visas, that type of thing.
Okay. One of the reasons too is that he has a youngster that lives in the United States who's a U.S. citizen. But he's under the age.
Yeah. The key term there was youngster. You would have to be 21 to file for his father.
Yeah.
But you can hang on, and we can have a consultation and figure out what the best options are. But the worst of the worst of all the options would be you filing for him. It's going to take too long. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.